Hello, my name is Michael and I'm the head of International Department of Braiden Consulting Law Firm. You're about to watch a screencast video about our commercial offer on obtaining a highly qualified specialist visa up to 3 years if you already have a company who is willing to hire you officially. All right, let's go. Okay, so this commercial offer is relevant for foreign citizens who have found an employer in Russia and they want to obtain an HQS visa issued for up to 3 years. This long-term visa is for those who want to live here and work with the possibility of bringing family members, which is very important in terms of this kind of visa. So let me just briefly explain you what are the advantages. So again, it's issued up to 3 years. The HQS visa can be extended without leaving Russia, which is very flexible and convenient. This is the bullet point. All right, so then your family members, which are like your spouse, children, parents, grandparents, and grandchildren, they all can obtain similar 3-year visa as a company member of the highly qualified specialist. Okay, also, all of you guys can obtain residence permit if you wish in Russia. All right, let's go forward. Here you can check the salary requirements, which is important that your employer must pay you a minimum salary of 167,000 rubles, and that means that they will pay the 13% of your salary. But by the way, if you would like to obtain the residence permit after this action, your employer will pay not 13%, but more, about like 43% of your salary. All right, let's go further. Here's the procedure, right? So first, we need to obtain the accreditation for the company who will employ you, who will hire you. To obtain this accreditation, the personal presence of the director is required. So that means the general director of the company which would like to hire you must go to migration authority and convince them basically that they need to hire you. Okay, let's go further. Then we'll submit documents to obtain a work permit and invitation itself. The Ministry of Internal Affairs needs like about 21 working days in order to approve this invitation. It's stipulated in the law. When you get the invitation, you can make the appointment in Russian consulate service in order to stamp your visa in the passport. This is the list of documents that you need to have with you while you're applying for the visa. Within 3-5 working days, but this is a very approximate term. It depends on the workload of Russian consulate service in your home country. Maybe even 2 days or 7 working days. So it depends, right? So you'll get your work visa for 3 years there, and then congratulations, we can meet in Russia. Please bear in mind that when you will come to Russia within 7 working days, you have to be registered. So please make the registration, and within 30 days after your arrival, you have to undergo the medical tests and fingerprints as well. The final stage is to obtain a work permit so you can officially work in Russia. It's a blue card with your photo and with your position name stated there. Here you can find the cost of our services. The invoice for payment will be issued in dollars according to the exchange rate of the date of the issuance of this invoice. Basically, when you'll be in Moscow, you can pay us in rubles, so you don't have to pay us in dollars. Here are the overhead costs, you can check the payment procedure here. Additional services, if you'll need it, we'll be happy to help you. I hope to see you in Russia as a highly qualified specialist. Okay, see you. Thank you for watching. I hope this screencast was useful and helpful for you. Please subscribe to our social media, to our YouTube channel, Telegram. We post useful information on a daily basis there. Stay tuned with Braiden Consulting.